I just bought a brand new car. Come with me as I protect it with the all-new 70 Dash Cam Omni. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and I have to start off by thanking 70 for sponsoring this video. It's been wonderful to work with them, and I'm pretty excited about this because I really have tried a bunch of different dash cams, and this has got to be one of my favorites. With a good dash cam, you can protect yourself as well as your car. You can get video evidence of somebody pulling out in front of you, prevent somebody from breaking in the first place, or get an alert to make sure you don't drift out of your lane while you're actively driving. As I mentioned, I've tried a bunch of different dash cams, but the 70 Omni dash cam is the only one with full 360-degree coverage, thanks to the 140-degree field of view and an integrated motor. It makes it even a great security guard while your vehicle is parked. Let's go ahead and set this guy up. It's easy to get the Omni installed. Just remove the backing material and adhere the camera right to your windshield. Then use the included USB-C power cable and connect it to the bundled car power adapter. To use the 24-hour parking surveillance with time-lapse recording, you'll also need to install the hardwire kit. Download the free app and it will walk you through the rest of the onboarding process. With the camera installed, you can start using it to your advantage. All footage is captured in 1080p resolution at up to 60 frames per second. It also has support for crystal clear night vision with its f1.5 large aperture, which enhances image quality in low light conditions, and the new PureCell Plus S HDR technology, which can automatically correct exposure levels and deliver best-in-class low light performance. It of course operates as a traditional dash cam, monitoring what happens in front of you as you drive and saving a clip when you tell it to, or automatically when it detects a collision. The camera's collision detection feature will automatically determine where a collision took place. So if you were hit on the side or rear of the vehicle, the camera can automatically rotate and capture footage in that direction. Should an accident occur, you can feel relieved that you have full video evidence of what happened, which can be crucial when dealing with insurance or law enforcement. What's best is that Omni has the 5 seconds recording prior to collision feature. Once Omni detects a collision while driving and parking, emergency recording will start 5 seconds prior to a collision, which will help reveal the full truth of an accident. It works at all times as well, so if somebody hits your car while in the parking lot, you'll see that on camera too. It can use an exclusive AI motion detection to follow people or objects around your car, just in case. While on the road, the Dashcam Omni has driver safety in mind too. With its ADAS feature, it can alert you to a pedestrian walking in front of you, if you're getting too close to the car in front of you, or if you start to drive out of your lane. This is a great way to add these safety features to older cars that don't already have them built in. You can control the camera entirely with your voice too. Just say take photo, shoot right, or shoot vlog to control it. I just bought my new Jeep a few weeks ago and I already had something happen to it. I was parked in a doctor's parking lot, and while I was inside, a new driver had just inadvertently run into the front of it. Now, fortunately, her mother was with her, and when I came out, they were already doing the right thing and leaving a note, but that isn't always the case. You never know what may happen, but with the Dashcam Omni, you will know what did happen, whether your car is parked or on the road. If you want to check out the new 70 Dashcam Omni, it is up for pre-order on December 10th. So check that out. There's a link for it down below in the description. Thank you again to 70 and the Dashcam Omni for sponsoring this video.